Welcome back to Smoke Red BBQ. Today I'm going to show you a quick video how to clean cast iron grill grates. Here are two items we picked up at Home Depot to showcase them and how well they worked. So this is definitely a lot of elbow grease you have to do to make sure that this is going to be a successful cleaning of the cast iron grates themselves. A lot of scrubbing, a lot of, I wouldn't say grinding, but a lot of elbow grease for sure. Now you can see right now the black material is working really well. However, this white porous substance, which is falling apart, flaking off, and just coming to a fine powder. I definitely do not recommend this and steer clear of it. By the time I was done cleaning the grates, the white porous material was grounded down to a nub. After then get a nice hot fire going in with the lump charcoal, I used grapeseed oil and then avocado oil and liberally applied this in 3 separate coats onto the cast iron grates themselves. You're seeing the first application of the avocado and grapeseed oil. There were 2 other versions of this that I did off camera. And here we have about an hour later, after the grapeseed oil and avocado oil could really cook into the grates themselves. I'm very happy with how this turned out, and I recommend it to do this in the future. Here is a before picture of what they looked like before we started in the morning. Here we have an after picture. Looks absolutely incredible. I'm very happy. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody.